aromatic, acrobatic, problematic. Daddy, my formatic, magic, diplomatic.
Sorry, what happened?
My car just broke down.
Oh, let me help.
You?
Let me help.
It's dangerous. He shot you.
I told you.
Babe,
You see?
you bust my head.
What are you saying? Don't play with me.
Give me your account number.
Nah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye. Come, what did they do here now?
I don't understand. Are you not my boyfriend?
Me, your boyfriend, you meant I wish I rubbish stop it down.
You're my husband.
Me? How?
Oh, so you think I fix car for you for free? Because I not collect money.
Because of your fist car for me. That's why you want me to be your boyfriend.
Yes, baby.
Baby, me.
Yes, boo.
Enjoy yourself, baby boo.
Move my car, John.
Joker.
What did you do that?
Okay, don't worry. She's a virgin. Baba wants her.
Jesus.
I'm not a virgin, no.
Why?
I'm not a virgin, no. You think I'm lying? Eh? See now.
Oh my God, what happened to that?